I don't think pain should exist.
But that's life.
Your system is not only broken, it's unjust.
You can't control all the bad things that happen in this world. Only how they affect you.
That's where you're wrong. Before, I wanted to be God for the wrong reasons, but now I no longer want to be God. I have to be God.
You've been waiting, looking off into the night. Search the horizon, watching out for smoke.
You have to risk falling if you want to fly.
You knew this day would come.
How much of this was your plan?
You weren't the only one, and so it began.
The darker the darkness, the brighter the light.
And so it began.
We are going to war.
Standing on the edge, taking one last breath. Feel the pull of gravity down in the depths. You knew this day would come.
I am not here to fight. Oh, well, I most certainly am.
The only one.
I'm going to be God.
And so it began.
Why are you doing this?
And so it began.
I'm doing it for love.
And so it began.
No.
It's not your fault.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna get her back. You'll die if you try to go to heaven. So be it. I choose you, Chloe. I choose you. Yes. I love you.
And so it begins.
My son, the light bringer.